Hey everybody, today is November 5th, and this is Earth Science. I'm Mr. Sheridan. I hope you're all having a great day. So let's get right to it. We're going to share my screen and get into our Google Classroom, where if you scroll down to week 7, we've got assignments number 5 and 6 in for our CK12 assignments this week. So I'd like for you to go in and learn about divergent plate boundaries and transform plate boundaries. So if you click on these, you'll see that there's not a ton of vocabulary, and the first assignment doesn't even have a video. So these aren't going to take super long, but what we do need to get to the point of understanding is what plate divergence means and how divergent plates mean that magma is boiling up and it's where that new Earth's crust is forming. And then the second one that we're going to do today is when you're talking about transform plate boundaries. That's like the one in California where they're rubbing up against each other. They're actually shifting sideways. So divergent is where there's magma that's coming up from the underneath the Earth and you're creating more crust. And transform plate boundaries are when they move against each other. They're sliding back and forth like this. So jump in and make sure you do those. I'd love to see everybody in class tomorrow so that we can do our review, make sure that your vocabulary is all up to date, and make sure that everybody's on the same page before we move forward. So we've been doing quite a bit of work, so make sure that you get in and get that stuff done. Please let me know if you have any questions. But other than that, I'm going to turn you loose, and I will see all of you tomorrow. Have a great day.